Because on the VR channel, this is the first
I'm
video on the VR
broke.
channel. Okay, well, Beetroot here is broke. He has no money.
Macho.
But I do,
El primo.
apparently. I have 11k. And
El primo.
yeah, I have actually played this game. We both played this game a good bit. So,
Okay, let's go.
what should we do first? Let's see. I'm gonna go down. You Beetroot. Okay. So we're gonna
Macho,
go over to
motherfucker. Stop calling me Beetroot. I'm Macho.
You're what?
Macho.
Macho. I'm still gonna
It's
call you
broke.
Beetroot. Whoa!
Coca-Cola.
We got pogo stick.
You hurt my feelings. You hurt my feelings.
Oh my god, I'm gonna go get the pogo stick. Wait, no, what are you doing?
Oh, what do I do? What do I do? I got cock.
Help!
Yo,
Help me!
he's scaring me, bro.
Joe, how do you have that? How do you have that?
I call it Mexican treat. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to Bruno.
Bye bye, Bruno. Macho. How did you even get that?
Bruno is gone.
Oh, I'm getting my pogo stick.
Oh. El primo.
boing.
You got the big
Eba
muscles.
boing.
Big,
Eba boing.
big muscles, my bro. Big muscles. You know what I mean? He's so nice, bro.
No, this way, this way, this way.
Yo, give me the bounce.
Macho.
Give me the bouncer, bro. Give me the bounce pad. Bro, give me the bounce pad. Let me have the bounce pad, bro. That stupid motherfucker.
Wait, Macho, we need a flashlight. Where are we?
Awesome.
Literally playing circles around this guy. Bye boing. Easy peasy. You're gonna absolutely. Oh no, no! I'm gonna actually buy a flashlight while I'm at it. Where are the flashlights? Where are the flashlights? I can't find a flashlight. Oh. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, primo, where you go?
I died.
Come back.
Okay, I'm coming back with a flashlight.
Hey, bro.
Where are you? No! What are you doing, Macho? What are you doing? How are you doing that? What's over here? Macho! You can make it, Macho. Come on, you can make it. Come on, Macho, you can make it. Come on, Macho, man. No, yes, yes! No! No, Macho Man. Come on. You got this, Macho Man. Come on, Macho. You got this.
Hey, primo, tú, no!
No, Macho! What are you... Oh, I think he died. I was going to do the flashlight test, but I don't think I need to anymore. So he wants to steal all my Cheerios. That guy right there wants to steal all my Cheerios. I'm not gonna have that. What did my hand just... Ooh, my hand! What is up with this? Is this hand like that? No, this hand's normal. Run! Run, Macho!
I'm dodgeball king. You
No,
shit,
Macho,
bro.
let's go. Macho, let's explore this guy. Go, run!
Okay.
Run! Run, Macho!
Banana.
Banana! We have banana, Macho.
Banana. Macho.
Banana.
Everybody's scared of Macho.
Macho, do you want banana?
Yes, bro. Yes, bro.
Have the banana. Umbrella! big banana. Hey! I'm feeling a bit farty.
I ate big banana.
Macho, where do we go?
Primo.
Oh, we can go up there. Let's go.
No problem. No problem.
Macho, why do you not have a thing? Why do you not have a flashlight?
I'm too broke for flashlight. I'm broke.
Oh, what is that?
Rubber ducky. Yes, bro. I like the rubber ducky.
Run, Macho! Oh my god, grenade! Grenade!
Give me grenade.
Macho, do not do it. Don't do it. No, Macho, have that on your back.
Mate, I can't see, bro.
What is that?
I'm not taking my chances. Run! Oh shit.
Don't, Macho. No. Have your smelly rubber ducky. I'm going to get Macho, man. Macho? Macho, what happened? You went... Macho, why'd you go into a landmine?
Present waiting for Taco Bell.
What?
Hi.
I think the guy's
ate too much
after you. Run, Macho! Run! Let's go.
Stanley. Yo, bro. I hate preppy girls. Fuck you.
You don't want a pretty girl?
Preppy.
Oh. I thought you meant you don't want pretty girls. I was like, what? What girls do you want? Stop falling.
Like. I'm not falling. It's just
I'm gonna do this epic parkour.
It's just a happy mistake, Macho.
Okay, I'm not doing that. It's gonna go the old-fashioned. Haha, Macho, I'm up before you. Haha, I got up before you. Let's go. Oh. Macho, another player! How did he get in here?
Do you want
No,
cock? I mean
it's
cock.
another
I mean
player.
cock. I mean. Do you want cock? I mean cock. I mean cock. I mean
Macho,
cock. I mean
it's
cock.
another
I
player.
mean. Do you want? Oh, I'll ask if you want cock.
Yeah.
Do you want cock? I mean cock. 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 I mean
Ask him.
Coca-Cola.
Go closer, ask him.
Do you want Coca-Cola? Cock. Do you want cock? I got Coca-Cola for you.
Run! Run! That guy's not nice. That guy's not nice.
He didn't want my cock. He didn't want my cock.
He's not nice.
He
He's
want
not
my
nice.
cock. You want my cock?
No,
You want my cock?
they attack you. He's gonna attack you. Oh my gosh.
I jump on his head. Maggio!
Oh, Macho Man, no. Oh, Macho. Help.
Oh, big strong man. Oh, very nice.
What the heck is that?
Let me see something. Do you want my big cock? I mean big cock. I mean big cock. Oh, sorry. Do you want my big cock? Oh, fuck. Do you want my big Coca-Cola? He doesn't want my Coca-Cola! Run!
Where are we going? Run! The Cheerio boy's chasing you. Let's go, Macho, run.
You're not gonna take my Cheerios. You're not gonna take my Cheerios. It's pretty dark.
This place is scary. What the heck? Macho Man, what is this? What is that?
What you mean? Blue! Yeah, primo.
Where are you?
Ah! Macho!
I want this place. Macho want to go this place.
Macho, why you bring me here?
I got scared. No problem. Oh. Knock, knock. Knock, knock.
Don't, Macho, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Ah! Bomb.
There.
Ah! What the heck?
What does this do? What does this do?
What is that? What's in here, Macho?
Oh, coconut. Coconut.
There's no coconut up there, Macho. Get down.
Sorry, no coconut. No coconut.
Thanks for watching.
Macho, there's a girl.